Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your gamepad for GTA 5. First, ensure your gamepad is securely connected to your computer. Then, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. From there, you will access the settings to begin adjusting your controller. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and responsive gaming experience, allowing you to tailor controls to your personal preference right from the start. Next, let's dive into sensitivity and dead zone adjustments. Inside the controller settings, you'll find sliders for look sensitivity. Experiment with these to find a comfortable aiming speed. Crucially, adjust the dead zone to eliminate any unwanted stick drift. A dead zone of around 5 to 10% is often a good starting point, preventing minor stick movements from registering unintentionally and ensuring precise input. Now, let's talk about customizing your button mappings. The game offers extensive options to reassign nearly every action to a different button on your gamepad. Think about which actions you use most frequently and map them to easily accessible buttons. For example, you might prefer to have sprint on a shoulder button. Personalizing these controls can significantly enhance your gameplay flow and overall comfort during long sessions. Finally, it's time to test your newly calibrated gamepad. Jump into a single-player mission or free roam to get a feel for your adjustments. Pay close attention to aiming, driving, and general movement. Make small, incremental tweaks as needed until everything feels just right. Once satisfied, remember to save your custom controller profile. This ensures your personalized settings are always ready for your next gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.